Hey-o, what's up you guys? It's Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. All right, Jack of Loveland, Colorado writes into us and he says, I was told I needed to get my permit to access installation requirements. As soon as I did, and that was requested, my adjuster just happened to go on holiday, and so I had a new adjuster. She denied the claim the next day. What? What's happening here? I fought and I argued and got it reopened, then it was denied again. No one told me. I had to find out the hard way. In fact, I was told in a conversation that I had with my adjuster that never happened that the cancellation or the denial occurred. I was bullied by my adjuster. He was mean. When I started asking for documents, they quickly had a change of heart. This is the deal. You don't have to put up with a mean adjuster. You don't have to put up with somebody that's unreasonable. You can ask for a supervisor or you can ask for that claim to be reassigned to a different adjuster because you deserve to be treated fairly within the insurance claim process. And if you're not, I want you to contact us. We are licensed public insurance adjusters, and all that means is we are licensed to help you, the consumer, you, the property owner, you, the policy holder, not the insurance company. We work for you, the public, hence the term public insurance adjuster. We work for the public, meaning you. So if you have a claim on a commercial property, on an industrial property, and in northern Colorado only, we do residential claims depending on the details, contact us because we can help you. But this is the deal. If the insurance claim is legitimate and they deny it and you reopen it and then they deny it and then it just dies, you have to have somebody fighting for you because what the insurance company is doing or telling you is not correct. They are stalling for whatever reason and it's not fair. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.